If you want another mommy, smile. Milo, I said if you want another mommy, smile. You want another mommy?
My dad cheated on my mom today and kicked him out the house. But I'm here for you, Mom.
What are you talking about? It's cheat day. He went to go buy cookies.
My stepmom's name is Cookie? How old are you?
I'm 80. I'm 83. 8 and a 3.
And you're almost 100.
That's right.
And then you're gonna be dead.
Eli!
I hope so.
No! Who's on this candle?
Dumbledore.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, they are so cute.
Yep.
I know. Look, there's a black one.
What?